Hi everyone, and welcome back to Krishiv. So you might have seen, the thing where the boat started swimming again. Doesn't look good at all, but I'm at cool again, right? Does seem good. It doesn't seem good yet. It's time for us now. Whoa! We're back. Hey, what are you doing? Zuma's there in between some feet. It's okay, he's a K. So we gotta bounce to that stick. We've gotta build to the days. Go Pokemon, go Pokemon. Is there any Pokemon here? No, there's no Pokemon. Okay, yeah, there's no Pokemon here. My grandma's asking me to give her her phone. Yeah, there's my grandma. Here.
मेरा फोन दो.
Yeah. Let's get Speedy up to him. Speedy. I think so. You're like going there again, yeah. I'm going to wait a minute. First, let me see if Doom is awake. And I didn't. Wait. When Din's awake, we all can go. Yeah. We all yeah. We all five can go, yeah. So see you all in the next. Bye.